India is a huge nation with a vast population. However, most of the cutting-edge medical infrastructure is found only in urban pockets, and that too in India's mega cities. The poor rural masses spread over the vast landmass have no access to super specialist doctors and treatment. In 1991, Impact India Foundation, in partnership with the Indian Railways, started the Lifeline Express or Jeevan Rekha Express, the world's first hospital on a train. This initiative gives poor rural patients an access to the best doctors and treatment, free of cost. Corporate support, along with volunteering surgeons, paramedical staff, other students and Mahindra employee volunteers have been the key to the success of this initiative. At Mahindra, one of India's leading corporate houses, corporate social responsibility or CSR is an integral part of business and the key motivation behind our desire to drive positive change. Since 2007, the Mahindra Group has associated itself with the Lifeline Express. Rudrapur, Rangia, Wardha, Farrukhabad, Haridwar, Rajgir, Puri, Naxalbari, Karad, Zahirabad, Gorakhpur, Motihari, Khandwa, Bharatpur, Gazipur, Bhadohi. In December 2016, Mahindra supports its 17th Lifeline Express at Satna. Till date, the 5-coach Lifeline Express specialized in restoring sight, movement, hearing, correcting cleft lips, performing dental procedures, and offering neurological treatment. Recently, the Lifeline Express underwent an upgrade.
जैसे कि आपको पता है, लाइफलाइन एक्सप्रेस दुनिया का सबसे पहला चलता फिरता अस्पताल में पहले 5 बोगी थे, जिसमें हम आँखों के ऑपरेशन, कान के ऑपरेशन, हड्डियों के ऑपरेशन, प्लास्टिक सर्जरी, उसके अलावा डेंटल और एपिलेप्सी ट्रीटमेंट की सुविधा थी. अभी इसमें 2 नए कोचेज़ वो पहली बार हम सतना में लॉन्च किए हैं.
And on the 8th of December 2016, the Honorable Minister for Railways, Shri Suresh Prabhu, and the Honorable Minister for Health and Family Welfare, Shri J.P. Nadda, inaugurated 2 new coaches which were added to the Lifeline Express. This addition is specifically aimed at treating rural cancer patients and spreading cancer awareness. The new coaches include a state-of-the-art operation theatre with specialized equipment, lighting and computerized systems ideal for cancer surgery. The focus of this upgrade was on detecting and controlling oral, breast and cervical cancer and also offering family health services.
ये महिंद्रा का जो कैंप है सतना में बहुत अच्छे से ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया है. इसमें हर चीज़ वेल ऑर्गेनाइज्ड है. हर बीमारी के अलग अलग स्टॉल लगा के इन्होंने जो किया है बहुत अच्छा इंतजाम किया है.
महिंद्रा एंड महिंद्रा कंपनी वालों की तरफ से ये जो ट्रेन में मैनेजमेंट किया गया है, इसमें एक तो बहुत बड़ा प्लस पॉइंट है कि पेशेंट का रजिस्ट्रेशन से लेकर के इन्वेस्टिगेशन से लेकर के जांच पूरा होके और ऑपरेट होना, ये बहुत लंबी प्रोसीजर होती है. एक पेशेंट को इस प्रोसीजर को करने के लिए बहुत कई जगह भटकना पड़ता है, लेकिन एक ही प्लेस पे, एक ही स्पॉट पे सभी कुछ एक साथ मिल जाए और वो पेशेंट ऑपरेट होकर सक्सेसफुली चला जाए, बहुत बड़ी बात है.
Satna, the first destination of this enhanced 7-coach Lifeline Express, was supported by Mahindra and Mahindra Limited. Satna is a junction which many trains have to pass through. The name originated from the river Satna. The inaugural function at Satna was well publicized and helped in generating awareness. The project was inaugurated on the 13th of December 2016 at the hands of the collector, Mr. Naresh Pal, Amongst a lot of enthusiasm, present at the function were several other officials from the district, the railways and Mahindra Limited.
लाइफलाइन एक्सप्रेस का आयोजन सतना जिले में पहली बार हुआ है और हम लोगों ने रीवा जिले और पन्ना जिले से भी अनुरोध किया था कि वे भी अपने मरीजों को यहाँ भेज सकते हैं। इस पूरे अभियान में जहाँ हमारे डॉक्टर्स का सहयोग रहा है, वहाँ पैरामेडिकल ऑफिसर्स ने भी अपनी सेवाएं दी हैं और काफ़ी बड़ी संख्या में एनजीओ के लोग और हमारे व्यापारी बंधु, इन लोगों ने भी अपना सक्रिय सहयोग दिया है। मैं सबके प्रति आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ, विशेष रूप से इम्पैक्ट इंडिया और महिंद्रा एंड महिंद्रा के जो CSR की गतिविधियाँ हैं उसकी मैं तारीफ करता हूँ।
Mahindra employee volunteers, along with doctors, paramedics and volunteers from educational institutions, formed the core that helped in the success of the Lifeline Express at Satna.
I am happy to be in Satna to witness the Mahindra supported Lifeline project at Satna railway station. This project is a great success, and the reason for success is the support received from the district administration. And also our team did a huge publicity in the rural Satna. This project would not have been successful without the support of medical fraternity, local volunteers and other officials. In future, we will do such camps in different parts of the country with the help of Impact India Foundation.
The volunteers did a marvelous job of informing people, welcoming and registering patients, screening and counseling patients, and setting the stage where the Lifeline Express could perform at its optimum capacity.
The entire CSR team of Mahindra Group had been involved in the publicity of this project for the past few weeks, and it is the result of that publicity that we have reached almost more than 5,000 beneficiaries, and it's just 7th day of the project. Thanks to the local volunteers and the local administration that have been involved, which has helped the Mahindra team to conduct this project successfully. The involving local volunteers not only help them gain some added knowledge, but it also builds upon their experience, their knowledge, which eventually will help them in the longer term, and this is according to the Mahindra RISE philosophy.
The dedication of Mahindra employee volunteers was admirable. All volunteers, with their courteous behavior and helpful attitude, endeared themselves to the patients who had come for treatment. The train, running for over a quarter of a century now, has till date treated orthopedic cases, cleft lips, cataracts, dental problems, olfactory problems and neurological issues. Now, oncological surgery has been added to the Lifeline Express's impressive list of abilities. The train has been treating poor people who have no access to such treatments by holding routine camps in remote locations.
There are various groups in the country who are helping the country in different ways. But I really thank to Mahindra Group can serve our needy people for the health. I hope Mahindra will be kind enough to all of us to give more services which are available to the public.
Cataract is one ailment which disables an ordinarily healthy individual. Harvesh Prasad from Satna is a Hindu priest by profession. Harvesh performs pujas in all religious activities. Harvesh earns barely enough to subsist. Reading from religious texts is an inseparable part of his duty. Over the past couple of years, he found his eyesight diminishing. With diminishing eyesight, his earnings dwindled as well. And soon, his ability to earn his livelihood was gone. Doctors said it was cataract and an operation could cure him. But where would he get the money to pay for such an operation? Moreover, going to the city for treatment was unaffordable for a person like him. Harvesh naturally slipped into depression and he could see no end to his problems. At this point, the Mahindra and Mahindra supported Lifeline Express at Satna touched his life. He had not believed such magic would ever happen to a common person like him. After appropriate screening and pre-operation tests, the surgeons on the train performed the cataract operation on his eye. Harvesh's vision and his livelihood was restored. And most importantly, Harvesh's confidence in the goodness of humanity was strengthened.
हमारा ऑपरेशन मोतियाबिंद का श्री महेंद्र जी के सहयोग के द्वारा और ट्रेन में हुआ, जो कि बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से और ऑपरेशन हुआ। इससे हम पूर्णतः संतुष्ट हैं।
11,419 patients availed of the benefit of this Mahindra supported Lifeline Express camp at Satna Junction. Held from the 13th of December 2016 to the 30th of December 2016. Here are the details.
महिंद्रा द्वारा प्रायोजित मध्य प्रदेश शासन सतना के सहयोग से इम्पैक्ट इंडिया फाउंडेशन कंपनी द्वारा विश्व का पहला रेल अस्पताल जो सतना के लिए उपलब्ध कराया गया, ये बहुत ही बड़ी उपलब्धि है हमारे मध्य प्रदेश के लिए और सतना के लिए। महिंद्रा के द्वारा यदि इसी तरह की सोच लगातार बनी रही तो वो दिन दूर नहीं है जब ये स्वस्थ भारत का सपना बहुत ही जल्द पूरा होगा।
At Mahindra, we know that CSR is an ever-growing duty